ebusianfo aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesere like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification no, so that anytime the video be this way, edit to ma usambeka bi. Ebusianfo MPP for esre NDC for rough or social media no so. Adentia ase NDC for no omo mathematics teacher no ewuntem. Na minim de see ya as a NDC for nyina call the same square or math teacher call we in term aja omo. Mubekaya during the State of the Nation address on Mampenina Kasa John Mahama when he came to nkoko nkitikiti no on mention figure bi na uko figure nima kire say obia enya 0.05 chicken and Ghana force ya na 0.05 chicken there ya na say is it that nkofo binya 18 no ebi munya 9 baaku ebi munya yemade no and all those things are now remember say a chico you say it's not a fully grown fowl, right? Now yankoti bioma they say Swedru for say NDC executive say wo ho ni MC na aka sembia omudwun omunti ase any day. Yes, see NDC for etimi hwanyame enim ebe ka kire Swedru for say omo they have been able to bring 2,000 nkitikiti. Now out of the 2,000 nkitikiti no ebusian for 1,200 ewu then 10 year NDC for the 2,000 nkitikiti echo Swedru. Before mbedu Swedru no say satisa teacher there no. Emu more than half ewu ye 1,200. Now say 1,200 ewu aka 800. And yes sir. Now sa 800 no. NDC for say asemo omuche sa 800 no to be 40 I think 40 people, no 100 people. Now let me go to the story. Sa 800 akano NDC for say omuche Emma 200 people actually. Now obiaje 40 nkitikiti. Enti mudi 2,000 nkitikiti na ekoe Swedru. Mbedu hono emu 1,200 ewu. En reality asem na make kire mu yes a story bi keke. Idea is asio esia me reporting mamu. Na se muko bo akonta na ma nkrofo na mu say one man nipa baku 200. Now obia ji 40. Now the 40 na multiply by nipa 200 awuka say one man nkitikiti no. It all comes to 8,000. Yes sir. 40 times 200 8,000. And I be say na mo eba ne say even the original figure of nkuko the background and 8,000 na 2,000 and 1,002 ewu. It's eba ne say na utimi man for 200 e bia timi nya 40. Umti ewu ti bonko sufo omunim hwi no mutrim she ni omutem and na yenwe. That's what we are realizing. NDC for me who be that Debbie I've not sometimes it me shocking me. So na sang for move here as a na deliberately they were selected to go and join that party. Well, let's go and listen to what Ghanaians think about the SC Swedru. But before we go into that, Ebusianfo, Gusuye appeal my studio no. Total cost no 25,000 Ghana cedis. what do you call dollars more around $2,300. Say see amino ye kasano. Donations are yenya so far $90. And your donations are yenya mpamucho. Ushe ya mumboye. Why? Kito bien so. Mumboye. Na ban the screen I say mpamucho. Mumboye. Why? Now let's go and listen to what Ghanaians think. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Okay, I say and let the owner ho papa. But here yeah, owner ho because I no pay na me tie baby a is an common nkitikiti program no bono ho baby. Almost ya koma akuyafo 2000 best e yan nkoko no. Na papa na kasa na wase mu be 1000 ne akiri awu. Na ne aka no so no ya cha mani patu na obi enya 40. Now transfer so kakuti a nipa 40 nkoko 40 ya cha mani patu 200. E be na yiye. Oh. Ndi se atro na na yede ye ne ye. Omuni asempapa bia de ma. Na youth no so yedi wo defend wo mo no mo a
de ba 40 ama nipa 200.
What you say nkoko na 2000. Na mu be 1000 to awu. Aka be 800 no ya cha ma nipa 200 obi enya 40.
Edi abone na mass dia ye MDC fo a.
Yeah, obi enya 40.
Be pa cho obi nya calculation ni wase mam o che nkoko 800. Edi amani pe 200
Obi enya 40, obi enya
40 na me say mo fa calculation ni mra na minhwe. Edi si fa the mass.
Sa no mo ye. Ya sa no mo ye. Ya krono nsem. Na ka obi be ka se kufu adu kuku 30,000 wa no. Enye 2005 mo na ye. Ha? Bon, na ye kan so kuya ni so ye ne sa so ka so ane. Bon, ndi Ghana na de madam. Anu ase wo ye youth a for abra bo hye wonsem. Men do say wo bi be ba ye wa abra bo ye aye ni yi amount. Ensi. Wo bi oba bia no, o ba se oba be wia. Na abra bo ni nya no. Sami je fi oba hwe ni ansem o keka ye. Hwe nsem asami je fi keka ye. Bon. Anti madam. Ye da wa se. Say o ma ye hu ni eko because Ghana na de yankopon ye dem de yankopon ya adom ye dwane nti omo mu no so omo nyiro na udwane kura wo de niam abekọ ma ye wia wo de ka akwa wo mo ade am mo girlfriend e de na abeka nti mi da ase mi de ase mo bi nka se bi
Papa na some kan Swedru ne CEO o se nkoko 1000 plus ana ayira and o ma che obi anya 40 se nipa 200 ekoche ade for 1000 let's go che 40 200 be 800
abu se for be promotion what be a mass teacher man NDC for because at this point no calculations NDC for ye man ye okurum ha ye ntiase na nsem wonom ye hu se Mr. Mama efa I think say teachers mama no mo church or ma the parliamentarians no ebeya MCs ni DCs no on for mass teacher survey enka ho ma omo because it's getting worse by the day sasa mpacho ye nko
okay are hosam pa na ekoso no winim be a simple calculation bi wo ho and I realize this that 300,000 near the aqua kitchen a bit me a dear necessary for Marco 100 Marco 100,000 car within 1 month too. Now the question is say gold board no omu here break room and omu here kitchen. Now kitchen no omu here no a industrial kitchen and na say a domestic kitchen for almost staff nepe. Because a domestic kitchen, they are 300,000, they are no ordinary. Because me say my construction or my house renovation, office renovation pay. Most offices are what UK has any abroad has they don't keep kitchen, in the kitchen, a break room. So you get your unya cabinet kakribi or honum when your plate abia bowls or honum, depending on the number of staffs are war. Na when you be a microwave and a white fridge CB ni sisi wonum. Nkuya ho kra ye normal dining set table CB na 300,000 deɛ ɛkɔfa firi he.
Me ba so gold board for be cook aton.
Ana ɔmo si kitchen me de ama ayi school feeding program for ana.
Bia.
300,000. Yeah, is it not the same gold? So I get for less almost almost year purchases for that particular 11 laptops. No, get for less minimum. Omo marketing manager no. Oh, they off air. Me for ni na ya contacting them. We confirm certain things. Me for ni ya ni o.
Medical catch am say this place is called fat base for a reason. Ever since NDC ba power me catch am say adie baako e na be mo mako opposition e social media. It is kind of the come traditional media na say nkomo di bre social media. Ai medical be san ka say bitom say bonsama boy pa na pa na bonsama boy ye ade ato wo say ye be ye. That is sasa ye back of get for less for marketing manager. No one chire mu nchire yen.
Me with the off air maybe ebiana on person bekasa on air but off air me friend no then we all get to the bottom of that because me minimum pa because I think pad laptop see met me sit down here could be say people down how I think say a ham promoter na is it £1,100 we say and here it's not up to that 22,000 now working. So why do you buy it from a third party? I didn't think the Ghana government can contact Lenovo no one to that laptop, no matter the number. And I want to say imported from Abuja because we imported from Abuja, the prices will be less.
Me some bem kakrebi on the we na acquire that one we sell on brand here. On also to that same laptop no $1,450 into the multiply an exchange rate of 11 cedis and crowd dollars na cost of 11 cedis is just around 1,600,000 17,000 16,000
15,900 15,000
exactly into who got on 22,000 side.
Question is that 4,000 is it 4,000 Ghana cedis gap near them no omo the yeding. And the question is gold board omo here sa laptop no omo the yeding. That particular powerful laptop, what is gold board using it for? Omo your code sana. It's just very recently baby I'm here you want to machines be by normal Dell office notepad ne we my office laptops ya no mu use. Normal $600, £600, £700 laptops ya no mu use. What are you using that laptop for? And now more laptops na dey akwa kuma mo guess more university. Hey. Enti akwi o man ebe yeni. Enne mahama nua na ha erje nneema firi nkofo nsem. Wusu sami jam wusu jira na wusu wuwi ayen. The entire building na you see no Bank of Ghana building for na you see e no kra ne boy ese. Eno kra no interior decor no kra mo ye ne boy ese. Not just one kitchen. Amanfo be ko jele kwa. Emre ni nkasu se chachuchi kata kra no ye astute lawyer e chen wonu kokoda mu a wo sami jamfi wo onchen prison wo nchen sabom wo nchen sabom. I don't blame anybody, me blame your papa na nado and ne fache honhom. Some of these people should have already been in prison. Okay, I'm the man who is here.
Yo, sasa medase. Point of correction. Enye kitchen ni nyina na yakoya ne 300,000 Ghana cedis no. Eye kitchen cabinets. And ye turn 300,000 Ghana cedis ake betimi dia ma efo. Aye, no dia aba.
Sasa dining set kura nka ho.
There be kitchen cabinet keke o. Hwe nka we ne gas cooker. I say kitchen cabinet in him 300,000 new Ghana cedis, no old Ghana cedis. Old Ghana cedis here 3 billion. How dare you?
I'm got Samsung we are now. I'm got Samsung.
May I just say AI kitchen cabinet?
AI kitchen. kitchen na gaza wo hana no cabinet wo hana no aye aduane ama.
Yeah.
It went to me the bet almost $40,000. Almost a bet $25,000 a quarter cabinet.
Yeah.
£20,000 almost no kwa school fees a year almost no.
Almost no.
Nyango po de bitu yomoka.
Yeah. Thank you, Sasa. Yes, baby.
Yes, madam, Ekia.
What kitchen cabinet in here?
Make na cabinet. Ekia. Me see, Sasa, me busa for me chia mu nyina, me say anokwe me ni agye se me ye ga nani. Ne yakoso na me de tu. Me do. Me de na. Me de me ni agye. Ni okasa yanzu na Sasa ka o se omu de omu ko. Me say kan so me sesa ye ni ye ma ni ye nku nu mu nko. Wa okun ye ndisi ni onko bi se mi kun so onko bi. Nti o ma say me ne me mba, ene mabusuafo onko de enya omu aka na okuro mu ha.